Hey everyone, this is Sonam Jayant, and today is 30 day of my challenge, like 60 day English speaking challenge, and I have completed 30 day. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I am so consistent, and I am the person always feel like lethargic when it comes to doing any new thing, but I started and I'm doing it consistently. So but someday I felt like I can't do it because it's not a cup of tea for me. But slowly and gradually I started pressurizing myself. You can do it because there is nothing which can you don't achieve it. So when I saw so many ladies, they are so active in social media, they have achieved fluency, but I am waiting for my number. So why I can't? Then I started learning English and I took this 60-day English speaking challenge and I have completed 30 day. Oh my god, and 30 more day are waiting for me. So I think what to do, because someday it's feel like I have lots of things to do. I have to just leave the challenge, but then again I start thinking like, then what you will do, because there is no choice, there is no will. What you will do as a homemaker, being a homemaker, what's a thing you can do, uh, because there is no choice. uh, Either choose English language, and because I can't go outside, so that's why I have to achieve fluency. Every moment is a very precious for me, and I will complete the challenge effortlessly. It will take time to get fluency, but I will do it. So if you are also thinking like me, i it's not a cup of tea for me, because it will take so many times, so many efforts. Every single day you have to prepare some topics, then you can face the camera, and after facing camera you have to do so many things. But the thing is that every when you will wait like a perfect moment, so there is no perfect moment, you have to do it. So I have started this challenge, and I have to complete it. If people will watch my videos or not, it doesn't matter, because if I am progressing, if I am able to uh, like um, uh, convey my thoughts, people, because there are so many women, they are waiting for a guidance. Like they have an idea, but they don't like to show their face in the front of camera. But I want to just say those ladies, so just start working on yourself. You can do it, because there is nothing, there is no one, I think there is no, I think in the world there is everything is possible. Like if you are fluent, then you can give me your precious time in the comment section. You can give me any point of view, how I can be more fluent. Because when I start speaking, then but the thing is that my mind goes blank, and my idea doesn't, I can't deliver my thoughts clearly. So that's why I took this challenge. And wish me guys, because your wish is very important, because